Hello, welcome back to another lecture. So in this lesson we are going to be adding appearance to our valve. So to start, let's just open the valve. I'll browse to my file location and open my check valve. And so now I have the check valve, and some of those valve components that I provided in the asset folder might already have materials attached to it. So let's click on this display manager for the material, and I'm just going to click this and hold control, click the last one and delete. So if you have any material in your parts already, I want you to delete everything so there is nothing in it. So everything should be the same color. So now we are going to add appearance to it. And the way we add appearance is we click on this appearance on the right side, and I'm just going to pull this down, and you click on the arrow drop down, and you have the different appearance here. You have plastic, metal, and paint and rubber and so on. So for this, since our valve is metal, so we're going to click on the drop down metal, and you have the different type of metal. You have steel, chrome, aluminum, bronze, brass, and so on. So for our valve cover and our valve body, that is going to be a carbon steel. So we click on the steel folder, and right under here we'll look for the carbon steel. So we have the cast carbon steel here. So once you find the right appearance, what you do is click and hold, and you drag it to the body. So now you have the different option. So you can add it to the body, you can add it to that extrude boss, you can add it to that face, or you can add it to the part itself. So we want to add it to the part, and the difference between this check body and the assembly is when I add it under this assembly, it's going to add it in the assembly alone and not in the part. But this, we want to click the check body, so that way we add it in the assembly and to the part itself. So we'll click the check body, and now we can see that that appearance is over there. And since this appearance is the same, this cover is going to be the same appearance as that body, what we can do is right click on this appearance, and right up here you see copy appearance. So we can copy and right click on this body, and we select paste appearance, and again we want to apply to the cover. So those are the ways you apply, and if you don't want to copy it, you can come back here and drag this to that. So for the bolt is going to be cast iron. So we'll go under our metal, and let's select we'll go under iron, and we have cast iron over there, and we'll just drag it to that bolt. And since all of our bolts are the same, it recognizes it, so we're just going to paste it. So the next thing we need to do is the internal parts. So I can section that, or instead of sectioning, what we can do is we can go and temporarily right click on this, and we can hide it. So we can right click and hide. So we are just revealing what is inside, and over here you can tell that those parts are being hidden because now it's white instead of yellow. So now we want the gasket is a chromium plate. So we're going to go on that chromium, and we have the chromium plate over there, and we are going to drag it to the gasket, and make sure you select the gasket. And the spring is going to be polished steel. So we go under the steel, we have our polished steel here. We are going to drag it to the spring and select the spring. And the last two we want to do is the C, which is going to be a machine steel. So we're going to scroll down and find the machine steel right here, and we drag it to the C, the disc, we can right click, copy that appearance and click on the seed, right click, paste, and right click. Make sure when you paste it, make sure you select the seed, right click, paste. So now we've applied the appearance to all of our part, and what we can do is show our components again, and that is pretty much how you apply appearance to your part. And another way we can do it is, this is actually the easiest way to do it in the assembly. You can also right click, open the part itself, and apply the appearance in the part, and everything will update in the assembly. Anyway, thank you. I'm just going to save this, and please make sure you save your work and save everything. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.